we're looking at the VSS Macropaver. This is the Macropaver. Not only that we're contractors, but we are manufacturers of the Macropaver, which gives us the capability of going to the manufacturer and letting him know the needs that we need in the field to make these trucks better for our product out there. Not only for conventional slurries, but for micros. We have bigger pumps, stronger plug mills for micros because they're stiffer mixes. Right here we have, these are the storage tanks for the emulsion, and the other side, it's got water in it. Now we go right here with the John Deere 125 horse, the extra horsepower engine for the capability of keeping up with the microsurfacing. Then we come back down into here. We have our emulsion pump, which is geared into the gearbox, which the gearbox is here, which is geared into the aggregate pulley. And it all configures into one switch, which one sequence starts everything, and it's all tied into the calibration system.
Now, how much emulsion does that tank hold, John?
That tank holds about 850 gallons of emulsion. The other side, about 850 gallons of water.
Now, when you transfer the Macropaver, you aren't allowed to have a full load, right, of emulsion, or are you?
Yes, we can have emulsion and water in it.
Okay.
But no aggregate. Basically up here is the control system for the operator. So once your calibrations are all in order, it's always important to calibrate each and every truck. Every single slurry truck in the industry is different. That's why it's so important to calibrate every single slurry truck or microsurfacing truck out there. And basically the way is the emulsion content so important. The only way to check for emulsion content is by your gate setting. So the wider the gate setting, the lower your emulsion content. The lower the gate setting goes, the higher your emulsion content will be.
How do you adjust your gate setting?
Your gate setting's adjusted through this little lever right over here. It might be different on other trucks, but this adjusts your gate setting, which pertains to the flow of aggregate coming into your plug.
Now, what's your gate setting on the conventional?
Like I said, it all depends. If you're running on a conventional type 2 slurries at 16%, you might have a gate setting on one truck at 5.5 inches, and on the other truck at 16%, that gate setting might be at 5 1/4.
And your gate setting determines how quick it comes out of the hopper, correct?
Now, your gate setting determines your emulsion content.
Emulsion content.
Yes.
Okay.
And basically, all one start on the system will allow your aggregate to come through your gate, your setting, your additive, your emulsion, and everything comes down into a plug mill, which mixes, and it goes onto the ground.
Okay. Now I noticed when we're putting the microsurface down that he goes back and forth with this catcher to fill up what side needs it.
Yeah,
so
it's called a diverter chute. The diverter chute will either go to the right or to the left. Basically, these chutes are designed for microsurfacing, and you have to have these type of chutes on there because microsurfacing is such a stiff product, stiff material that you'll plug it up if you have a gate on your
okay.
the opening, the material comes out.
Okay.